Hello everyone, welcome again on Tips Engineer Zone. We are going to check maximum total losses uh, of transformer up to 11 kV. Okay, so this is the kVA rating and this is the percentage impedance. And this is the level 1 at 50% load, and this is the level 1 also 100% load, and this is the level 2 and 50% load, and this is the level 2 100% load, and level 3 and level 300%. Okay, so uh, this is the 16 kVA to 200 kV. Okay, if rating is 250 kV to 25 100 kVA, and percentage 6.2, and double E level 1 of 50% is 6500 at 50% load, and 100% is 20 kilowatts. So in this Excel there is a uh, uh, showing the load loss at 50% load and 100% load and their impedance level. So this is the as per IC 1180. Okay, uh, these data are correlate as per your design, and how much rating you want to design, and what is the impedance level, and what is the load loss. Okay, and again we are checking 12 kV, 22 kV, and again is the 33 kV. Okay, so this is the Excel sheet for checking maximum total losses up to 22 kV, and this one is the 33 kV. Okay, if you are going to design 500 kV transformer, their impedance near about 4.5 percentage, and 100% load is 5100, means 5 kilowatt, 5.1 kilowatt approx. Okay, if you want to design level 1 transformer, energy efficiency level is for level 1. Okay, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to join our online classes, okay, so you can visit my Tips Engineer Zone website. You can visit our Tips Engineer Zone website to um, join our multiple electrical engineering courses. Okay, there are different courses available in my websites, like transformer design, electrical design, sizing, electrical vehicle, HT panel testing and commissioning, switchgear online course, power cable testings, testing and maintenance, dry type transformer, electrical engineering managements, wind power and SCADA, and there are multiple courses available in Tips Engineer Zone. So if you want to design any transformers, capacitors, and substation design, so you must visit our Tips in Zone website and choose as per your requirements. And there is a very less fee. You can easily join, and you can, after completion of your electrical engineering courses, you will get e-certificate. Okay, so this is the transformer design course. Okay, and this is the high voltage and transformer design and solar power system course, electrician course, capacitor design course. There are multiple courses available in these websites. Okay, if you like, please visit my website. Thank you very much.